Are you ready to tap into your limitless potential? When it comes to manifesting your dreams, there are countless techniques out there. Visualization, scripting, vision boards, affirmation, you name it. But today, I'm going to introduce you to one of the most powerful methods that have helped me and so many other people turn their dreams into reality. Today, we're going to be talking about the 369 method and how you can use it for yourself. This method is based on Nikola Tesla, who's an inventor. He believed that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 were divine numbers of the universe. 3 represents energy, 6 represents frequency, and the number 9 represents vibration. There's a lot of different versions out there how people use the 369 method. I'm going to share 2 versions that have worked well for me, but be open, have an open mind, and if you come across a different version that works better for you, do that. The first version of the 369 method is writing down your affirmation, your intention 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night. I found it helpful to do it for at least 21 to 28 days. That's usually how much time our brain needs to find and commit to a new habit. And if you wanted to take it a step further, you could start writing it at the specific times. So I've also seen other people using the same technique by writing it down 3, 6, and 9 times, starting later in the day. So they would start at 3 p.m., writing their intention affirmation 3 times, 6 p.m. 6 times, 9 p.m. 9 times. What I've found from my own experience is that the first couple days it feels good to do that, and then it feels a little bit like a chore. And also it's a lot to write your affirmation 9 times and the night even before you go to bed, or maybe you almost forgot it and you're like, oh, I have to do this. So make sure you're finding emotional connection and really doing it from the heart that you want to do it, because if it tends to turn into a chore, we're not fully committed and it might not work so well. The other version I like to use is writing down your intentions 3 times. So that would be something like, I have received $1,000. On the next step, 6 times, you're writing how it makes you feel. So writing down how it makes you feel that you received that money. And on the 9 times, you're thanking the universe that it showed up and that you're so grateful. So 3 times intentions, 6 times the emotional connection and how it makes you feel, and 9 times your gratitude towards that. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does it really work? Well, let me tell you. Yes, it does, but only if you're willing to stick with it and put in the work. Because here's the thing, when you commit to this practice, you're not just repeating words, you're shifting your energy, aligning your thoughts, and inviting your desires into your reality. It's simple, but incredibly effective. Another very powerful manifestation technique is the 17 seconds method. If you want to learn more about it and even practice it with a timer, you should watch this video next. I'll see you soon. Go and be your favorite self.